In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Nova to Bullx Neo. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have created a Bullx Neo account. When you press in the link in the description down below, it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. And over here, we can go ahead and install the Nova extension, which will allow us to purchase cryptocurrencies and tokens significantly faster. The first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on download for Chrome, and then it is going to take us to this extension page. So let's go ahead and press on add it to Chrome, then go ahead and press on add extension. Then once that is done, all you want to do is you want to go back to the download page and you want to go ahead and press on connect to Telegram. And if you don't have Telegram already installed on your PC, then you will need to actually download it. So go ahead and just press on connect to Telegram, go ahead and press on open Telegram, and then it is going to give you something that looks like this. It will say meet Nova Click, and all you got to do is you got to go ahead and press on Nova Click like so. Then go ahead and press on open, and then there you go. It'll now say you are now connected to Nova Click, and once you're done with that, go ahead and press on got it. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it does say menu, then go ahead and select on /menu once again, and then you will get a menu that looks something like this. What we need to do now is we need to go ahead and select on settings, then go ahead and click on Nova Click and make sure that use panel settings is actually turned on. So mine is turned on right now, however it might be like turned off whenever you do first install it, so just make sure that it actually is working. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and actually connect our Bullx wallet to Nova. So the way we're going to be doing that is we're going to go ahead and press on menu once again, then go ahead and select on /menu. All right, now we're going to go ahead and connect our Nova wallet with Bullx. So the way we're going to be doing that is we're going to go ahead and select on wallets like so, and then go ahead and press on export private key right over here. And then it is going to give you a private key. So all you want to do is you want to copy it. It is going to tell you the wallet address, and then right underneath that is your private key. So again, just make sure you keep your private key completely safe. Don't mess around with it or anything like that. Just keep it to yourself. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and just close out of Telegram. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the left menu. Then we're going to go ahead and select over here where it says Wallet Manager. Then we're going to go ahead and select on Solana because that is what we're currently working with. Then we're going to go to the left and select on Solana wallets. And then over here, there will be an option that says import. So all you got to do is press on that, go ahead and select on Solana. Then go ahead and enter in the private key, which we did just get. Then go ahead and select on import wallet. And then there you go. We now have our wallet over here. But alternatively, you can go ahead and import any other wallet that you do have. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go to the browser extension manager like so. Then you want to go ahead and just make sure that Nova extension is pinned on. Then you want to go ahead and select on Nova. And then it will say disable, but all you got to do is you got to go ahead and press on it like so. And then there you go. It will now enable the Nova extension. And over here, you guys can go ahead and select on preset buy amounts, preset sell amounts, and basically adjust all of these different, settings. And in general, this will just make trading significantly faster. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.